Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make the easiest chocolate fudge frosting. For that we will need some basic ingredients, some butter, some sugar, some milk and a little bit of chocolate. Cocoa powder is a very good option, but you can also use chocolate if you have them. Okay, so we're going to start off by using half a cup of butter, which is room temperature, and I'm going to start off by making it into a creamy consistency just like this. Then I'm going to add some icing sugar, which is a 1.5 cup, and some cocoa powder, which is half a cup. I'm going to alternately add some milk, which I'm going to be using about 2 to 3 tablespoons, but you can use it as much as you need. If you want a runny consistency, you can add more milk, but I want a thick frosting to layer my cake, so I'm going to show you what consistency works well for me, and I'm going to alternately add this, some dry ingredient with some wet ingredient, which is the milk, of course. So once you've mixed your batter, this is what it should look like. If you want a thick consistency like I did for layering my cake and crumb coating, this is the perfect consistency. If you want a runny consistency, you can add some milk at this point and keep mixing it while you get the desired consistency. This is the recipe for my chocolate frosting. Now you can check out the recipe for this cake, which is the ultimate chocolate cake. You can check out the recipe from my previous videos, and this is what the completely finished cake looks like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to be the first one to check out my new videos. Bye.